Afitha wa borithi Crinzy Baraza na uria niwe mwikuirwo munene njuragano-ini ya Boniface Kariuki mwendia wa maski uria wahurirwo rithathi ya kiongo ni akinyirio igoti-ini inene mbere ya mucirithania Kanyi Kimondo. Baraza athitangitwo na mahitia ma kuraga na njira ya kuratha kiongo Boniface Kariuki mururungano-ini wa tariki 25 mweri muhituku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, thitango iria areganite nacio. Wakiri wake Felix Kiton ni aikite ihoya kuri igoti mwikuirwo arekererio na bodi. Kiton erite igoti gutire na itumi njiganu iheanitwo ni mwena wa thitango cia kuregana na mwikuirwo arekererio na bodi.
The victims have a right to participate in the trial, but subject of course to the guidelines or the limitations that may be imposed by the trial court.
Ona gukiria uguo family ya Kariuki ni tumurite gicanja nja wa igoti makiregana na gwitikirio kwa mwikuirwo ekire mask undu atarakurikana wega kuri muingi ari igoti-ini.
Jaji yuaona anafaa kumwambia atoe mask tuone hivi. Hata ile mask anavaa ni ile ilifanya auwe mtu huyo mtoto juu ya hiyo mask.
The accused is wearing the same mask.
The mask anaenda kusema
Yenye tu Boni alikuwa anauza. Why was he hiding his face? The previous judge didn't hide his face. He was there. And he even told us, if you are sick, say it. If you are not sick, then remove the mask.
Like we afford withstand akiwa pale na hiyo mask yake. We even don't know whether we still casing with the first person because tunakuja pale. At least ule judge mwingine alikuwa anatufanya tujue yenyewe ni huyu mtu.
Kwa mucirithania Kanyi ni athite mwikuirwo guikia ihoya ria kurekererio na bodi, naguo mwena wa thitango na LSK maheane macokio mao thiini wa thikũ 7. Mwena wa thitango ni urikitie kuneana riboti ya ugima wa meciria wa mwikuirwo makiuga ni akota guthie na mbere na cira uyu kuria riu eguthie na mbere guikara njera nginyagia tariki 19 riria akamenya kana ni ekurekererio na bodi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa rekwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.